It's cool here too. Dumi na ng kuko ko, guys. Do you remember me? I'm Kate. Yeah, maybe my house is in the hills. Where? In the Mount Everest? Ano pala, mountain pala yun siya. Mount Everest. My house is in the farm. No, I just only rent. I just rent only. My house is in the province. My parents' house, not mine. I remember your name. I remember you. But I'm not remember where you're from. I'm fine. How about you? I like to watch you. Oh. Putang lang dyan nga. Wag na. Lagay mo lang dyan. Yan, ganyan lang. You live alone? No, I live with my kids. I have 2 kids. Kita na eh. Hindi ko alam. Alam ko na yan. Huwag yan. Ano nagagawa mo dyan? Ano ba Tagalog niya na idol? Ay. Look like I'm sleepy. May pasa ako sa dalawa. Hello. Asad Shukla. Night po. Night, Jim. Jim, good night to you. What are you doing? Nothing. I'm just sit here. I have a present for her. Yan, pagawa yan. Musuon yang tali yang. Siya. Pagawa. Masih musuon tali. I have present for her. What is your present? I want to be your boyfriend. Bye. Friends only. What are you doing? I'm just sit here. Thanks for the heart. Guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, please. If you want, give me thumbs up. If you don't want, it's okay. No problem. Don't forget to subscribe also my channel. It's road to 50k soon. Soon. Not now, soon. I like all that, huh? Like what? What do you like? Ang gulong kausap niya. Okay, chance. Come here. Chance. Chance, come here.